Hello guys and welcome to my video. I hope you're doing well today. In this video I'll show you how you can make a two-color print with an Ender 3 or similar printer that can only print one color at the same time. The trick is very simple. Let's get started. Let's start with Fusion 360 and make the designs first. This is going to be the white part with the white squares. As I'm going to print with a layer height of 0.2, I make sure I have the same height in my design. This is going to be the other part with the black squares. We have to print the black squares first. Keep the temperature of the bed up and don't remove the first print, but print the second print over the first one. Change the filament color and print the white part. This works fine.